Good morning, mga folks. So, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well at the moment. So now, I'm going to the hospital. Um, it's a weekend, so I don't have work. So, if you're following my previous vlogs, during my days off, I'm having my clinical attachment at the hospital. So, I'm currently going there, and um, I will be assigned in the pediatric unit for today. It's my first day of clinical attachment with pediatrics because my previous days of attachment I was in the neonatal unit. So mga kudoks, let's start our first day of clinical attachment with pediatrics. Let's go. Hello mga kudoks, how are you? So, I just finished my clinical attachment or observership day, first day with pediatrics. So it was a very productive day, although I really didn't touch any patient, like literally. I didn't do examination myself, history taking, but at least I get to see the patients, which is really a good opportunity for me to at least have the feels of examining the patient, taking their history, and at the same time I'm also learning the system. It's really, the system is really complex. There's certainly a lot to learn in my part. Although I'm already a pediatrician in the Philippines, everything is different here, I think. There's an edge that I already know some of the things about pediatrics, neonatology, but definitely it will not be an assurance that it will be easy for me. So I have to learn more about the things in the NHS, the system, the computerized system, how they take history and examine the patients, how they do their management using the different guidelines. So all of these things I need to learn. Maybe not really before I can have my job, but maybe during my job in the future. Hopefully I get accepted anytime soon, maybe in the next 2 months, 3 months. I'm hopeful that in my next vlog I can show you that I'm already working as a pediatrician in the NHS. So that's wishful. I'm really wishful and hopeful for that time to happen as soon as possible. So guys, the weather now is raining again, so I need to wear a raincoat. Not a raincoat, I need to put on my hood because it's raining again here in my place here in the UK. So this is not unusual. This is the usual thing for us here in the UK. So in the Philippines, there's only 2 seasons, only rain and sun or sunny day. So this is not that unusual for us. But the thing is, here in the UK, rain is much more common. Like in a day, you will get a sunny day, then a rainy day, and a cold one, and a hot one. So it's really like a mixture of all temperatures here in the UK. So it's quite unpredictable. I've seen a lot of cases today, such as viral pericarditis. I've also seen rare cases such as Alagille syndrome and prolonged QT syndrome. What else? I think those are the and some eating disorders. So those are some of the things that some of the cases that I have not encountered as a pediatrician when I was still in the Philippines. So these are things that I need to learn here in the UK, because I think it's quite common, this rare diseases and disorders. So that's good. So let's see what happens in the next months. Hopefully I get my GMC registration as soon as possible, then hopefully this department will accept me and hire me as one of their doctors in the unit. So I'm really hopeful. So let's continue to pray, and hopefully in the next months I will be a doctor here in the UK finally. Paalam mga kudoks.